What's up, guys? Dirty Diesel here. Beautiful day. Doing a video on Auxito LED lights for my 99 F350. They're LED dope ass bright lights, I'll tell you what. So I'm going to show you the LEDs I had in are right here, chip on board, and this is the Auxito. And they're a little different, like the fans up here in the Auxito, and the plug is right here on the back of the Auxito, and this is solid aluminum, and this is really cheap feeling aluminum. And actually, here's the other one that has this piece on here. So that's what it looks like with the adapter on it. This is without the adapter. So these work good, I'll admit it. They're cheap though. Fans in the back, nothing wrong with them, I guess. You know, they're like $20 a pair. I believe these are $80 a pair, and they're super beef, super cool looking. I'm gonna show you how quick they are to install. So these things go in only one way. You could see these little ridges here and stuff. So really all you have to do is put it in there and twist away until it sinks in. So I'm gonna hold it here because you could see it coming through. You just go from back in here and you just stick it in there, and we're gonna see it come through. It's tougher on the battery side. So let's see. All right, I got it through. It's in. Now you take this piece here. This is what retains the headlight in there. You see these grooves, they go forward. They go forward and they wrap around the headlight and hold it in there. And then you just tighten it on over the headlight. So it clicked on now. Okay, now I got it tight. And then you just take the plug, which is right here, and you click it on. Hold on a second. Can't see in there. I'll have to take a look at what the orientation of the bulb is. Okay, there it is, like that. Now we've got it. Okay, so now it's in and it's back in there. Let me get let's click the headlights on, see what. All right, it's on. It's on there. My headlights are a little, even though they're only new a little while ago, they're still getting a little roughed up, but they work good. I tested it. The brights work good also. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about them now. I won these through a contest on another YouTuber's channel. There'll be a link down in the description below to check out his channel. He's got a bunch of stuff on his Power Stroke also, and a lot of electrical and just a lot of tinkering, and he has a lot of stuff. Is Keith Nunya, and he's a great guy. He's a longtime supporter of my channel, as long as I've been up almost. So I found his video, and I entered a contest and I won these. And then I told them that I would do an install video for them for sure, because that's what I do. I won them though. I did not have to do this video, so this isn't. This is a product I won. This is free. It's awesome. They seem way more substantial than these cheapies, even though these work. I'm gonna keep these as backup. So thank you very much to Auxito. I really appreciate it. You guys should look into these guys. They seem to be very quality headlights, and they're going to stand behind their headlight. Other than these, like you just buy this $20 pair off of eBay or something, and you're not going to have any warranty. And I have had, man, I'm like a pioneer in LED headlights. I've had them in all my cars since they came out. Some of them die in a day, some of them die in a week, some of them this, that, and the other. Some of them fans stop working and they burn up because then they'll get hot. So I've been through all the swings of LED headlights in cars. Long time, for quite a few years now, since they were offered right in the beginning. And to get a company to stand behind them, would be a good thing. I actually don't know their policy, but my guess would be that that they would stand behind their product. Get on their website though and check them out. Maybe shoot them an email or something about what their policy is. My guess would be that they're 5 years or something. Heck, they might. Who knows? But they were a super quick install. I would say it'd take you 5 or 10 minutes max. And it's definitely, if you don't have LED lights, they are gonna drastically increase the quality of your lighting. So I'll do another video of nighttime, and you guys can see these things work. All right. Thank you, Auxito, and thank you, Keith Nunya, for the winning the contest. That was killer. I won his contest on his video, so thanks for the video. You guys, they'll be linked in the bottom. I'll put the Auxito link, and I'll put the link to this product here too. I have a 1999 F350. So, all right, guys. Dirty Diesel out.